Omwana ogu amanyirwe nka Ronald Kangume ow'emyaka 9 kandi abire nashomera Christ the King Primary School Kyakabunga ngu kandi akabuzubwaho omuriisa orukutekatekwa kuba niwe yamwisire atyo akamuziika.
Tugirize kutukwasa kwona mboni nyoni manzani nsima polisi munonga ukureba ngo yigirizeho kwera kubasa yatwatira abantu abo
ko rwebye byo kumbuza ntubishumira abo kuba mweshongoza akagira ati ensege ne tubutajuru twakwere tujundwe byo kubaho tubyakubizire buta tubyakubayiriho.
Bwanyima yo kurangisa okurukumara no kuchondoza kwa polisi abazire baboneye omwana ogu aziikirwe kandi nukwe bakamutimbayo konka bakarinda bashaha bakogo kubanza bamuchebera. Omukuchondoza oko harebekireho bamwe abakwasirwe konka polisi etenzire kwatura amazina gabo ahabwe byo kwerinda. Konka nikigambwa ngo aba bakabanza kushaba sente za $1 omutwaro gumwe ngo babone kugarura omwana ogu batakamwisire.
Bashasha munonga abo kushikwa ikintu kiki bakamutwara ibirashatu na kimwe kwa mushanju batweire bashaba sente ngo batokere sente konka bo zoberiyo no shanjo bamwitaho.
Let's always ask for their IDs, commonly known as indangamuntu, such that we get to know them, they get to know us, and we follow. We can track them using NIRA and arrest them. Now, this one took us a very long time, and good enough. I really thank the administration of police for going digital. Technology has grown, and because of this technology, we have ably arrested these very people.
Ishe w'omwana ogu amanyirwe nka Kere babahogo kandi nakora umunsi zahero kandi wenyina tabasize kugambira ha kamera zito bit polisi omutumbi tushangire yaguzikwireyo.
Tutuneho polisi yona polisi erikavuta road ndije ryo mu kageti kandi igihe gensi n'amarisizo igigomborra pate mpango no rwanchezi when kurgaha homestead kuzandi zo ni kilomita nk'imwe na 2 so ko kushanga abantu nesharana ka kera nyaje ya ka kera nsharana mburo okutsharana ryantonde kukakureba polisi twine yakaguta road yonka hamwe town yakagete nabo polisi abaruto bakumara.
Abari kutekatekwaho batirwa ha polisi ya Kiruhura kubuza ubwe biro kurataho amakuraga gasha kwa Sandeke William.